everybody, what is up and what is down? It is J Nicole hitting you guys back up with another video. So we're starting off this video not so strong because I'm super tired. Super tired. Nakuha pang mag-vlog. Honestly, I was contemplating if mag-vlog pa talaga ako. But grind lang ng grind. I think I will definitely regret it pag hindi ako nag-vlog for my Shanghai layover. So every layover, tinatry ko talaga na i-vlog ko. Pero during my Johannesburg, hindi ko talaga siya vlog because nothing interesting happened. I was just in the hotel sleeping. Our agenda for this 30-hour layover is to, number 1, asikasuhin yung mga Pop Mart pasabay. Secondly, kakain tayo sa Hai de Lao. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm sorry if I'm butchering the name. But later at 8:30, nag-usap-usap kami, nakakain kami, and mag-meet kami sa lobby ng hotel. It's currently 5 p.m. here in Shanghai. So we landed at around 1 p.m. And imagine niyo, nakarating kami sa hotel at around 4:30. And I ordered room service so that I could eat before I sleep because I'm super hungry and oh my god. I really hate night flights. My sleep is at around 12 a.m. Doha time. So, ang pick-up time namin kanina was around 11 p.m. Doon ko na nagagawa yung antok ko. Doon na nangyayari yung antok ko. And then, bigla na lang nadidisrupt talaga siya every time nagkakaroon ako ng night flights. Which is inevitable naman din kasi paiba-iba yung roster ko. But speaking of Shanghai, let's dive right in muna sa layover na to. I'm super excited to show you what's going to happen. I think I'm going out alone. I'm scared to do so. Also, yung agenda natin, mag-Din Tai Fung. Hopefully, magawa natin lahat ng mga pinagsasabi ko dito sa video na to kasi I really want Din Tai Fung. The Din Tai Fung sa MOA, it's not the same anymore. Bakit binago niyo yung lasa ng spicy wontons ko? Naiinis ako sa inyo. Ang sarap ng Din Tai Fung dito. Just like how it used to be for Samoa. Speaking of room service, hindi din yung room service. Hello!
Good afternoon.
Speaking of room service, we ordered grilled salmon. And we also got Yangzhou fried rice. Ay, may taray, may seaweed soup. I love it. Okay, sorry about the lighting. Hindi ko siya maayos kasi talagang nakatutok sa akin dito. Ayun. Yay! Ayan! May sarili tayong ring light. I love it talaga. Guys, if you didn't know, super love ko dito sa Shanghai as in. Nag-headbang na ako sa jump seat kanina, pero pagdating ko dito talaga, sabi ko, magba-vlog ba ako? Sabi ko, nako Nicole, pagsisisihan mo pag di ka nag-vlog. So, eto na nga, nagka-energy si Baka. Mamaya tayo babaksak talaga kapag katapos nating kumain. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi ako pwedeng matulog na hindi kumakain ng totoong pagkain. Ito na naman sila. So, ito na lang yung kutsara natin kasi lagi ko nalilimutan na ganito lang yung kutsara nila dito. Kahit na pang seaweed soup talaga to. Kahit yung kanin lang, ulam na. Kung nagtataka, bakit salmon tapos kanin lang? Mga meat. Ito lang yung pinaka matino nilang pagkain sa menu. Hindi ako papayag na aalis ako ng Shanghai nang hindi ako kakainin yung spicy wontons ng Din Tai Fung. Tingnan natin kung kakainin ko ba lahat ng sasabihin ko kasi mukha lang akong energetic kasi nagba-vlog tayo. Pero antok na antok talaga ako. Like, unbelievable yung antok ko. Yung mukha ko kanina, lukot na kanina habang nagpumpila kami. Yung kinukuha namin yung keycard. Parang, I'm making fun of myself, but it's not even funny how tired I feel. This job is not even a joke. Like, ang saya-saya niyang tingnan talaga sa picture. Ako na nagsasabi sa inyo. Facade lang talaga lahat. Facade. Sobrang nakakapagod. Sobra. Pero super worthwhile and super worth it kapag sumahod ka na. Yun na lang yung iniisip ko lagi. But yeah. Anyways, besides the point, I'm gonna devour this. Watch Sims. Isa yun sa dahilan. Ang dami ko na naman chika. Ano na naman yung vlog na to? 30 minutes lang. Isang layover. Anyways, kaya ako hindi makapag-edit ng Switzerland vlog because I've been watching gameplays of Sims 4 and na-miss ko na naman maglaro kasi never ako nagka-laptop. So, I mentioned that I wanted to buy an iPad, but now, since parang nami-miss ko na naman mag-Sims, feeling ko magpapahatak na talaga ako sa MacBook. Kasi ever since senior high school, gustong-gusto ko na talaga magka-MacBook. Pero, never ko nakuha because inuna ng parents ko yung iPad ni Janelle and iPad ni JL for school. And MacBook is a little bit on the, heavier side. And I understand, I completely understand. And now na may trabaho na ako, na-realize ko bakit can I not get the best of both worlds here, I can play Sims during my days off, unwind, and edit at the same time, diba? Panalo! Yun pa lang naiisip ko, tumaldal na lang, di na kumain. Yun pa lang naiisip ko na ay, ang gandang investment nun sa pag-unwind ko and at the same time, pagko-content creation ko. Which is, by the way, I super missed editing sa Final Cut Pro. So now na may pera na rin ako, hindi ko na ida-download yung crack version. Bibilin na natin. Kasi, big time na, anyways, ang intro pa lang to. Nakaka 6 minutes na tayo, di ba? Ang dal ko. Anyways, bye guys! See you later!
Kakadating lang natin sa mall kung saan meron yung first Pop Mart. Nung binubook ko to, sabi ko, yung nearest Pop Mart na lang yung i-book natin. So, this was like 7.9 kilometers away from the hotel. So, ito yung pinakamalapit. Coincidentally, ito din yung first ever mall na binuntahan ko nung last layover ko in Shanghai. So, ngayon, dahil nandito tayo sa same location, alam ko kung saan yung Din Tai Fung. And actually, we're already here. Hopefully, bukas na siya. Kasi gutom na. Bukas na siya, okay. May kumakain na. So, let's go inside and eat. Actually, hindi ko na dapat itutuloy yung pag-vlog. Kasi I don't feel well. Parang may hilo kanina dun sa pag-drive ng driver. And also, kinabahan ako kasi before leaving the hotel, I wasn't able to register yung payment method ng taxi app. So, sabi ko, paano ba kung magbabayad? Wala akong cash. Thankfully, I figured it all out. So, yung pinunta natin dito, spicy wontons, kakainin na natin. I'll order first and after I order, pakita ko sa inyo yung kakainin natin. Also, if nagtataka kayo bakit same yung damit from when I was sleeping. Funny story, I had 2 options of pants and a scarf. Pero tinan nyo naman, hindi ko sinuot yung scarf, pero nakalimutan ko magdala ng top. So, yung pantulog ko, yung top ko ngayon. So, buti, may leather jacket naman. So, medyo maporma pa din kahit pa paano. So, ito yung o-orderin natin. We got our food, guys. This is what we're eating. I decided not to get xiaolong bao kasi ang gastos lang. Tapos isa lang naman ako. Oh my God. Nothing beats Chinese food talaga. We're back in business. I can definitely see the Pop Mart Molly here. Talagang pinilit ko lang lumabas kasi I also want to get my own labubu and I also want to get presents for my siblings kasi gusto nila ng mofu sand. I don't know what that is but I will ask help figure it out again. Dito kami nag-Pop Mart dati. Fail. Reopening daw. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog, guys. Pero ito yung mga nabili ko. Lazy Yoga, Crybaby, Hasibubu, tsaka Sunset Concert.
Hey everybody, I am currently here in Hanoi, Vietnam, and it is kind of late right now. It's 11:14 p.m. and we just went out to grab something to eat. Unfortunately, they don't have local pho open around the area, but yeah, I think I'm going to be ordering. Sobrang kalat ng room. Aayusin ko lang before I show you guys because nagmadali lang ako magbihis kanina. I wasn't able to take a video because literally I was rushing a while ago to get ready para makababa na kami agad and we can catch some stores that are almost closing. Actually, I didn't bring any equipments with me. No magnets, no tripods. I purposely left the equipments because I didn't plan to vlog, but that's okay. This is just a short layover, so natatakot ako kapag tumutunog yung pinto kasi I'm always scared that someone's gonna break in. I am going to be showing you my room. Last time, I just realized I was looking for the Shanghai clips and I didn't took a video. Last time, I told you guys I'm gonna show you the room, but I was distracted with everything going on. I'm gonna pakita yung room sa inyo sa Shanghai, and now I'm definitely gonna show you my room here in Hanoi. It's a different hotel now because before it was the Golden Bathtub. If you guys can remember it, Hanoi was my first observation flight. And so we are doing a little tour of the hotel. This is what it looks like. I really love when I get like big rooms for my layovers because you know me, I just love ordering room service. So being in a big room and just being on my bed, the ambience is really, really nice. So I like that the new hotel is very, very big as well. And yeah, I don't mind actually because still there's a lot of places to eat around the area. So I don't mind that they changed it, but I'm really going to miss the Golden Bathtub. And that's the most iconic one. I love this huge, huge mirror that we're in. I changed into my pajamas because I'm getting ready to watch a movie and gonna eat. And yeah, actually, this was supposed to be a Shanghai vlog, but then I figured if I'm gonna get half of the clips per layover, why not just make it as days in the life of a cabin crew? That would be much more interesting to watch rather than just one country per layover. And I don't think we're gonna be doing much for this layover, so clips are gonna be short unless I ramble and yap a lot. You guys will be seeing a lot more clips, so I'm sorry for the mess. And this is the living area, or like, I don't know. It's very, very nice. And when you come over here, side table, you can see my hat. Ignore that. And you can see my Stella Lou. Stella Lou always comes with me during my layovers. But this is actually just the second time around that she's with me. I'm acting as if she knows that she's with me. Like, she's my friend. I'm very lonely, guys. I need a friend. There's a big TV. I hope you can like connect YouTube there so I can watch. And ang ganda ng bed. Super laki niya, you guys. Yeah, that's about it. Appreciate it. Super, super nice.
Babe, hi ka sa vlog.
Ito yung itsura ko, babe. Ganito.
That's my Bobby.
Uy, yung itsura ko naman. Ayusin mo.
Guys, kakain tayo ng seafood fried rice.
Yep. Guys, ang sarap!
Yay! We're gonna eat now. Do, 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 do. We have pho. This is the soup. Dito siya sa loob. Hey guys, so I'm currently just doing my makeup now because at 3:45 we're going to be picked up by the bus and we are leaving Hanoi. Very short layover, as I told you guys. And the wake-up call is here for a while. Tell me that I'm special. Tell me I look pretty. Tell me I'm a little angel, sweetheart of your city. Say what I'm dying to hear, 'cause I'm dying to hear you. Tell me that I'm new thing. Tell me that I'm relevant. Tell me that I got a big heart, and back it up with evidence. I need it and I don't know why. This late at night, isn't it lonely? I'd do anything to make you want me. I'd give it all up if you told me that I'll be the number one girl in your heart. Good morning, guys. We are here in Brazil right now. I think I'm doing a compilation of the countries I've been. I don't know what title yet I'm going to be doing for the video, but I think it all consists of just me being in the hotel and the truth about me as a cabin crew na lagi lang nasa hotel. Actually, sa 1 year ko na nagtatrabaho dito sa company, I've been to ultra long hauls thrice only. First one was Montreal, that was hectic. Second was Melbourne, it was okay. It was very chill. Everybody was very nice. The passenger profile was very chill. Sao Paulo was okay. Who am I kidding? Oh my god. It was not okay because I was galley. I don't like being galley, honestly. We're going down. I'm just gonna freshen up quickly and I'll meet you guys downstairs. See you guys. Outfit check. I think I got this from a TikTok live. I forgot the seller's name, pero lagi siya nagla-live. I think I only got this for like 400 pesos. Would you believe it? Sobrang in good condition ito. This one is from my mom's, vintage na to. Like, I don't know where she got it. This one, yung sa tay-tay, yung mga parang ganun. Nalimutan ko yung word niya. Pag naalala ko habang ine-edit ko, I will insert it here. Pero yung sa mga tay-tay Rizal, yung ganun. So yeah, this is just very cheap, but it's so cute. It just says Gucci. Yeah, nasa pagdadala naman yan. So, dala ko yung Bourbon, as always. Shoutout sa Bourbon. Oh my gosh, you guys, wala kayong palya sa pagpapadala sa akin. Talaga, like, maliit lang na segment to sa YouTube video, but I just want to thank them so much because sila yung brand na hindi talaga ako iniwanan ever since na nag-flight attendant ako, and I'm getting emotional. Ano to? Interview ni Ariana tsaka ni Sin. Anyway, I get very emotional because I really miss being a content creator, like attending events. Attending events is like my safe haven because I like being with my friends online that I see in person. So yeah, thank you so much, Bourbon, for not letting me go. But yeah, I really do appreciate you guys. Like, guys, pinadala nila ako nung Clash collection, and this is the Clash collection too, which is yung mga necklaces. We're gonna be wearing one down for breakfast. I'm going to be choosing one of my favorites, which is this one. Mag-focus ka. This one is one of my favorites talaga. Ayan. Ang ganda, diba? Sobrang dainty niya lang. See?
I love it so much. And feeling ko talaga tumataba na ako. Like, uy, marami na namang maiinis sa'yo kung tumataba. Pero hindi, I swear, tumataba talaga ako. Like, may specific angle ako na kapag nakita mo ako, like, ang taba na ng pisngi ko. Hindi na nakakatuwa. But yeah, I'm gonna be wearing this one because it's just a little tiny accessory to make my outfit pop a little bit more. Wearing a watch, and yeah, that's it. Kinain ko yung sinabi ko, guys, nag-makeup ako, tapos nag-ayos pa ako ng buhok. I'm gonna shower afterwards, kaya ginel ko na siya kasi wala akong maisip na up to for the hair na magmumukha siyang hindi bagong gising. So, I just made a slick back look. This is the outfit. Very, very simple. Yet, I would say very, very classy. Let's go eat. Ang dami kong anik-anik. Kakain lang ng breakfast. Pero yeah, pinapractice ko talagang ayusin yung sarili ko. Para hindi ako tamad. I'm glad that the Switzerland vlog is out of the way, out of my head. I'm gonna edit this one, a compilation of me in hotel rooms. That's literally the vlog, guys. Kung ano yung ginagawa ko sa hotel rooms kapag nag-chill lang ako. Very, very boring, if you'd ask me, but I find it really, really relaxing. Na kumakain ako sa hotel room in my own space without any people. I don't have to socialize with anyone but you guys. You guys are warming up to me not uploading covers. And I know it takes time to adjust to that, and I get it. Okay lang din naman. For 2 days, 190 views pa lang yung Geneva, and that's okay. I promised myself that I won't get discouraged by the views. That's the most important thing to keep me moving forward from uploading more vlogs. Because I really just wanted to tell myself that I want to document everything that I've been doing with this job. After years have passed, I want to look back at it and be like, oh, that's me. That's what I was doing during this time. I had my steak medium well. I used to have it well done before, but I've kind of been liking the medium well. So, oh my god.
Hey guys, I am currently now in Melbourne. It's been, I don't know, about 2 months. It's currently 2025. The vlogs I've collected for a peek of a life in a cabin crew have been like 2 months in the making of filming, and then I'm only going to edit it now this year. And yeah, I forgot to film an outro again, but yeah, I'm currently editing the vlog as we speak. Show you guys what I've been doing the past couple of months. And I also just uploaded a cover of a song What Is This Feeling from Wicked, and it's actually a rock cover. I just put some echoes and reverb on the background just to make it sound a little bit more nice. But yeah, you guys seem to like covers very much because it's the most viewed upload I had ever since I started going back to YouTube. 458 views. I know it's not a lot compared to my usual views before, which was like 34,000 views or something like that. But to me, ever since I came back, all I wanted for you guys was to enjoy what I upload as well. Ang dami kong vlogs na i-upload. Partly, Vietnam vlog is going to be hard to upload. I just know because it's a 3-part vlog. And I don't know if you guys are going to like that, but as I said when I started going back to YouTube, it's for my own memory haul that I want to keep and just look back on, because every time I see my vlogs before, talagang nag-enjoy ako kapag napapanood ko, ay nakapunta ako dito, and then just reliving the memory when you watch the videos once again. I really think na hanggang 3 parts in Vietnam, I am going to be trying to, maximize kung kaya ko hanggang 2 parts lang. But I really don't think I can because there's a lot of footage I filmed during my family's vacation in Hanoi. I am also going to be editing like a mini vlog of coming home to the Philippines because I don't want to include that in a peek in a life of a flight attendant, because I think I vlogged just the tiny bits of my layovers for Brazil, Hanoi, and Shanghai. But no, pag inad ko yung coming home to the Philippines, it's going to be such a long vlog. My nose is literally crying on its own. It's literally, I'm so sick. If you can't tell by my voice, because time zone difference, Philippines, Hanoi, and then ngayon Melbourne, like I'm on a different continent. It's just all too much. So yeah, I'm very, very excited for you guys to see all of the vlogs I have planned and prepared, and yeah, very, very happy to talk to you guys once again. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button to give a bang in the face and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys and girls so much for watching this week's video, and as always, empower your style. Start your style can empower you. Bye guys.